Hello and welcome back to Eat Like a Viking. I'm your host Craig, aka the Saxon Forager, and today I'm going to be making black pudding or blood pudding. This recipe is taken from volume 2 of my Eat Like a Viking cookbook, and the question that I get asked the most is where do you get your blood from? Now while some people prefer to use Viking and others Saxon, I prefer to use pig's blood, which I get from Amazon or the local butcher. The recipe is a little bit messy to make, so don't wear your finest tunic, but let's get the fire lit and get cooking. In a large bowl, put 1 cup of oats that have been soaked in water overnight and half a cup of cooked cooled barley. Finely chop 1 onion. Coincidentally, the only evidence we have that the Vikings ever cried was when chopping onions. Cut 100 grams of pork fat into cubes. Add to the bowl with the oats and barley along with the onion, along with 3 teaspoons each of salt and pepper and 1 teaspoon each of ground coriander and mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon each of fresh chopped thyme and savory. Mix everything together really well. Add 300 ml of blood. If using dried blood, mix 50 grams of the blood with 250 ml of cold water and give everything a good mix until fully combined. Attach a length of sausage casing to a sausage horn or funnel, tying a knot in the bottom. Stuff the mixture through the horn and into the casing. It's a messy job best done outside or in a sink. Avoid overfilling the casing or it will split when being cooked later, as the filling will expand during the cooking process. Tie the end of the casing and cook in hot but not boiling water. If using a thermometer, you're aiming for around 80 degrees Celsius. Cook for 60 minutes and once cooked, leave to cool fully. To eat, cut slices and fry in butter for several minutes, turning halfway through. So remember, like and subscribe to my channel, comment below, let me know what you think of my sausage. Goodbye.